0, 1, 2, 3,
and
4.
excellent, super. So the weak numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The strong numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
9.
Can you now, all of you, can you tell me what are the weak numbers in one voice? The weak numbers are?
0,
All of you in one voice.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, again, the weak numbers are 0,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Super. The weak numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. What are the strong numbers?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Excellent. The strong numbers are what? 5,
5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Okay, clap hands for all of you. All of you are supers. Excellent. I'm proud of all of you. Okay, now let's go to the next part. The next part, we have approximate each of the following to the nearest hundredth. It had another word or another meaning. Hundredth means 2 decimal places, okay? 100 means what? 2 decimal places. 100 means what?
Other places.
Repeat after me. 100 means what? 2 decimal places. 100 means what?
Decimal places. 100 means what? 2 decimal
places. Okay?
This.
So 100 means 2 decimal places. 100 means 2 decimal places.
Decimal places.
Okay, what's meant by 2 decimal places? Approximation to the nearest what? 100. Excellent. What's meant by 100?
2 decimal places.
2 decimal places. Super. What's meant by 2 decimal places?
To the
nearest hundredth. Super. What's meant by 100?
2 decimal places.
2 decimal places. Super. Okay. Let's start to approximate the next numbers to the nearest.
Answer number 8.
Okay, yet be with me step by step. Okay, dear? Okay, all of you gonna answer all the questions. By the way, all of you gonna help me to answer all the questions. At first, let's start. Here, can you remember what's meant by the place value of each digit? Can you remember what's meant by the place value of each digit? Like here, what is the place value of the digit 4? Here is what? This what is called what?
Point. It's
decimal point. Supers. This one is called the decimal point. This one is called the decimal point.
Decimal point.
Excellent. What about the name of this part? The name
Unit.
of this part.
Unit.
Something like the unit. What is the name of this part? This part is called whole part. Whole part. The 34 is called a whole part. Okay? The 34 is called what? A whole part. Whole part. Excellent. Whole part. What about this part? What about the 536? This part is called what?
Number 5 is 10.
No. I'm talking about this part. It's called what? Decimal part. This part is called the decimal part. So this part is called whole part.
Whole part. And
this part is called
36 decimal part.
Decimal part. Super. So we have whole part, then the decimal point, then the decimal part. The whole part, then the decimal point, then the decimal part.
And
Okay.
the decimal part.
All of you understand this part? That this one
Yes,
is called
teacher.
whole part. And this part is called decimal point. And this part is called decimal part. Now let's excellent. Excellent. Now let's exercise you. Now this part is called what?
Whole part.
Whole part. Excellent. And this part is called what?
Decimal point.
Decimal point. Super. And this part is called what?
Decimal part.
Decimal part. Super. What about this one?
Decimal point.
Decimal point. Super. What about this one?
Whole part.
Whole part. Super. What about this one?
Decimal part.
Decimal part. Super. What about this part? All of these parts.
All is decimal
Huh?
place.
Something like that, huh? All the number is what? All the number. What is the name of all the number? Huh? A decimal number. Okay? A decimal number. A decimal number. It's called a decimal number. The decimal number consists of whole part, decimal point, and decimal part. So all of this is gonna be a decimal number. It consists of whole part, decimal point, and decimal part. Okay, is it clear now?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's remember the place value of each digit. Let's remember the place value of each digit. What is the place value of the digit 4 here?
Unit.
Unit.
Excellent, excellent. The whole part is the part that we have taken in our life, in our previous life, okay? So the whole part gonna be the units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and so on. The 4 represents the units place. The 4 represents the units place, okay? What about the 3?
3, 10.
Excellent. The place value, the place value of the 3 is tens. The place value of the 3 is tens. What about the 5?
10.
Tenths. Repeat after me. Tenths. Tenths.
TH.
Excellent with TH. Tenths. Tenths. So what about the 4? The place value of the 4 is?
Unit.
Unit. Super. The place value of the 3 is?
Tens.
Tens. Supers. The place value of the 5 is?
Thousands.
No, tenths. Okay, tenths. Tenths. Okay. The place value of the 3 is?
Tens.
The place value of the 3 is what? Hundredth. Okay, hundredth. Here in the decimal part, the first one gonna be tenths, then hundredths, then thousandths, then 10,000ths, then 100,000ths, and so on. Okay, we have to start from the decimal point. The whole part starting from the decimal point is unit, then
Unless
tens,
we never
then
understand
hundreds.
this lesson before.
Okay. Here we have to start from the decimal point. Okay, the place value of the digit just before the decimal point is unit. Then the number just before it is tens. The number just before it is hundreds. The number just before it is thousands. And so on. Okay? And from the decimal point, we have to sort again from the decimal point. We have to sort again from the decimal point. After the decimal point, we have tenths. We have no units, okay? In the decimal point, we have no units. In the decimal point, we have no units. So we have to start from tenths, but okay, please, we have some contraptions. After the decimal point, we have a digit. This digit is called tenths. The place value of this digit is tenths. Then the number just before it is hundredths. The number just before it is thousandths, and so on. Okay? All of you understand now?
Yeah. Thanks, teacher.
Thank you. You're welcome, my dear. Now, what is the place value of the 4? All the class, what is the place value of the 4?
Units.
Units. Super. The place value of the 3? Tens. Super. This one is called what?
Decimal point.
Decimal point. Super. The place value of the 5 is? Tenths with TH, okay? Tenths with TH. The place value of the 3 is? Hundred. Supers. The place value of the 6 is? Thousandths. Excellent. Now, again, I gonna arrow the numbers randomly. The place value of the 3 is?
Hundreds. 100.
Supers. Hundredth. The place value of this 3 is? Tens. Supers. The place value of the 6 is? Thousandths. Super. What is the name of this?
Decimal point.
Decimal point. Supers. The place value of the 4 is? Units. Super. The place value of the 5 is? Just tenths, okay? Just tenths. So here we have units, tenths, decimal point, tenths, hundredths, and thousands. It's clear now?
Yeah.
At first, he told us to approximate to the nearest what? In the question, we have approximate to the nearest what? Hundredths. Excellent. Approximate to the nearest hundredth. Now, here in letter A, where is the hundredth?
3.
Which 3s? This 3?
No.
This 3?
Yeah.
Yes, so this one gonna be the hundredth. So we have to underline.
And look
Yes.
the 6. And look after 6. 6 is strong. And give 1 of 3 and 3 is become 4.
Excellent, dear. Excellent, Iyad. Okay. Here, he told us to approximate to the nearest hundredth. So we have to underline the hundredth. The hundredth here is what? The 3. So we have to underline the 3 and circle the next digit on the right hand. Circle the next digit, which is the what? Circle what?
Next.
Circle, the 6. Circle the 6. We have to circle the 6. Okay?
Okay.
Now we underlined the hundredth place and circle the next digit, which is the 6. And now look at the 6. This 6 is a weak number or a strong number?
Strong number.
A strong number.
Okay, Iyad, the 6 is a weak number or a strong number?
number.
Super strong number. If the circled digit is a strong number, we have to add one to the previous number. Add 1 to the previous number. Adding 1, 2, 3, we get what? By adding 1, 2, 3, we get what? 3 plus 1 equals what?
4.
4, supers. So we have to write the 34 as it is, and the point as it is, and the 500, please don't draw, okay? All of you dears, Judy, please don't draw. Iyad, please don't draw. Here, we have to put the 34 as it is, okay? Then the point as it is. Here, the 6 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to the 3. The 6 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to the 3. So we have to write 34 as it is, then the decimal point as it is.
64 decimal point 54.
54, super. What about the 6 here?
6 is moved.
Okay, we either replaced the 6 with 0 or removed the 6. We either replaced the 6 with 0 or removed the 6. Okay, dears?
Okay.
So we have definite steps to approximate any number to the nearest hundredth. At first, we have to underline the 100th place. We have to underline the 100th place. Then circle the next digit. Underline the 100th place and circle the next digit. And ask yourself, the circled digit is weak or strong? If it's strong, we're gonna add 1 to the previous digit. If it's weak, who can tell me what shall we do? If it's weak, if the circle digit is weak,
a 3-1 is not. Give the 3-1.
Excellent. The number gonna be the same as it is. The number gonna be the same as it is. So it's gonna be 34.53. If the circled digit is a weak number, it's gonna be 34.53. Okay? Example number 1 is clear for all of you?
Yeah, I wanted to write exercise.
Okay, dears. Please don't play with anything, okay?
Okay.
All of you, please don't play with anything. Don't draw, don't do anything. Just be with me. Just be with me. Okay, let's continue. I think I have a problem with the laptop. Can anyone here see anything?
Yeah.
Just share screen.
I see the screen is number 8.
Black,
Approximately
right?
the nearest one.
Okay, wait.
يا خلاص أنا تحلوها بص على البورد.
So now, what are the weak numbers? Tell me.
0, 1, 3, 4.
0. Only one can tell me what are the weak numbers?
0.
The weak numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Excellent. What are the strong numbers?
The strong number 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9.
Excellent. What are the weak numbers again?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. What are the strong numbers?
Strong numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
Supers. Supers. And the decimal number formed from what?
A decimal number
formed of 3 parts. What are the 3 parts?
What?
The decimal number formed from 3 parts. What are these 3 parts?
The 3 parts.
The whole part,
The whole parts and the decimal point and the
decimal point and the decimal.
decimal. Excellent. Part. Okay, so the decimal number formed from what? Again.
Decimal whole part and decimal point and decimal part.
Excellent. The decimal number is formed from what?
Decimal point and whole part and the decimal part.
So we have whole part, then the decimal point, then the decimal part. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What about the place value of the digits? Starting from the decimal point in the whole number or the whole part is what? We have what in the place values? The first number before the decimal point. Its place value is what?
Place value. The place value of whole number is unit.
Unit, then,
Unit and tens.
Excellent. Units, tens, hundred,
Tens,
thousands.
hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s and 100,000.
Excellent. Unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, and so on. What about the place values of the decimal part?
Decimal part is 10,